Have you ever heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away"? Well, let's give it a modern twist. A pecan a day keeps bad cholesterol away. That's right. This crunchy, buttery nut isn't just delicious. It's a heart-healthy powerhouse that can help keep your cholesterol levels in check and your heart smiling. Pecans are native to North America and have been enjoyed for centuries. But modern science has uncovered what our ancestors may have already known. Pecans are packed with nutrients that can protect your heart and improve overall health. Let's dive into the science and discover why one handful of pecans a day can make a big difference. Your body needs cholesterol to build cells and produce hormones, but too much of the wrong kind, LDL, often called bad cholesterol, can cause plaque buildup in your arteries. Over time, this leads to narrowed blood vessels, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. Here's where pecans shine. These nuts are rich in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, the same heart-healthy fats found in olive oil and avocados. When you replace saturated fats from things like butter or red meat with pecans, you can lower your LDL cholesterol while maintaining or even boosting your good cholesterol. In fact, several studies show that people who eat pecans regularly experience improved cholesterol profiles. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that eating a handful of pecans daily helped reduce LDL oxidation, a process that makes cholesterol even more harmful to your arteries. Simply put, pecans protect your heart from the inside out. Pecans aren't just about healthy fats. They're loaded with antioxidants, particularly vitamin E, which protects your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Antioxidants are crucial for preventing inflammation and slowing the aging process, not just for your skin, but for your heart and blood vessels too. They also contain fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol absorption in your digestive system. Just 1 ounce of pecans gives you around 3 grams of fiber, a small but powerful dose to support digestive and heart health. You'll also find magnesium, zinc, manganese, and thiamine in pecans, minerals that support metabolism, blood sugar balance, and nerve function. And let's not forget the plant sterols, natural compounds known to block cholesterol absorption and promote heart health. Just remember, while pecans are healthy, they're also calorie-dense. Stick to about 1 ounce per day to get the benefits without overdoing it. Eating pecans regularly can do wonders for your cholesterol and heart health. With their combination of healthy fats, antioxidants, and fiber, these little nuts are one of nature's most effective ways to keep your arteries clean and your energy levels high. So, the next time you reach for a snack, skip the junk food and grab some pecans. Your heart will thank you, and so will your taste buds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and nutrition tips every week. Remember, a pecan a day really can keep bad cholesterol away.